Welcome to the Champion 4-H Club, Ware Elementary here in Gregg County. Whoop, whoop. 4-H program here in Gregg County is growing in leaps and bounds. We chartered Ware Elementary. All the 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders here are enrolled, and they are 4-H members. Gregg County 4-H Master Gardeners are the ones who sponsor their enrollment fee. And so in talking with Principal Doug, we decided to, hey, we're going to do some yoga, and we're going to do food and nutrition project. And so with that, we came up with the idea. We have 245 kids here. Let's engage them in the Texas 4-H Food Challenge. The benefit of having the Gregg County 4-H program in the school is we're able to reach more kiddos because they're here. So we're just excited to be here with these kiddos and teaching them some new things about what we have in 4-H.
You know, almost 250 4-H members, just brand new 4-H members. So the food nutrition project is one of those things that the kids tend to really like it. They love it. I saw their faces as they were coming in. They saw it was really happening, that the equipment was up. And then, you know, we hit that go button and, you know, it was chaos, but it was the best kind of chaos. It's excellent to get in with the schools when they have that time set aside for us. I mean, it was fun planning these things and getting to go in and see the kids learning things and see how much they changed from January all the way till May. It's always fun. It's fun to see kids excited about things, and it makes me excited.
We want to say thank you to everybody who has contributed in some way, some form or fashion. Thank you. Go Gregg County 4-H. Yes.